Hi, I am DMIP Senaratna, Business Process Manager, Nolanka Manufacturing Colombo Limited. I have been assigned to design and implement computer network for Nolanka Manufacturing Colombo Limited. The company overview vision to be the most globally sought after trusted fashion solution provider. Mission providing stakeholders with growth opportunities by offering innovative design, best value through excellence customer service. The content of my proposal: identifying the customer's needs and goals, analyzing technical goals and constraints, logical and physical network diagram, analyzing business goals, increase the revenue and profit, reduce the paper usage, offer new customer services, reduce telecommunication and network cost. Identifying the scope, the category wise number of users, the present status is more than 110 employees are working now. The requirement, have a plan for 200 employees in 2022. Type of equipment, 10 printers, 5 copiers, no plan to increase in future. Internet connectivity, only dongles and mobile Wi-Fi routers at the moment using, should go for ISP. Application requirement, communication, only voice. Today's ERP, only accounting package runs isolatedly. The requirement in 2022, video conferencing should possible, SAP implementation and online fashion selection, web portal implementation as planned. Existing network infrastructure and physical layout. Few routers, hubs, switches installed in LAN environment. In 2022 must buy for WAN environment. Wireless connectivity using dongles and Wi-Fi routers. In 2022 required wired plus wireless connectivity with anytime accessibility. Reliability and uptime expectation. Present situation, many connection drops occurring. Requirement 99 uptime should available. Identifying the network application, emails, web browsing, video conferencing, MS Office 365 implementation in year 2020. Small sample display studio using IoT. Analyzing business constraints, budget and staff constraints are mainly 1 million USD fixed budget for a project in advance they have proposed, and the policies: no finance allocation for any project more than the 5% of net income, and company should obtain mother company approval for any changes on the project. Milestone of the proposed project: six months time proposal, and the select service provider for computer network project in 1 week. Documentation of existing network infrastructure and inventory in the second week. Requirements gathering week number 2 and 3, and need analysis of hardware and purchases in week number 3 and week number 4. Start computer network project implementation week number 4 and week number 5. Post implementation troubleshooting in week 6. Analyze technical goal and constraints. The scalability, growth in year 10 years of company growth, number of users, easily 200 employees and another 300 after few router implementation. Number of sites, easily with 3 sites and can increase by creating LAN. Number of servers, no limitation. Availability, unavailable time duration as per the 99.8%. So daily 2 minutes and 3 seconds, 24 into 7 consideration, and yearly 17 hours 31 minutes. Performance, 100 Mbps tunnel has been recommended by proposed design to implement to the company for get maximum performance of the company network. Security, put in monitor firewall performance, maintain antivirus software, update password at least every quarter, create a virtual private network, and training employees. The manageability, the performance management, monitor network and then identify issues and analyze root cause and fix the issues. Fault management, the detection, once detected, diagnosis and isolation, and then correlation and aggregation, and restoration and resolution, and it will run as a cycle. Security management, there are 4 security policies: network access controls, library access control, and directory level security control, and safe control server. The configuration management, it has 5 features: device hardware and software inventory collection, device software management, device configuration collection, backup, viewing and achieving comparison, detection of changes to configuration, hardware or software, and configuration changes implementation to support change management. Adaptability, semantic routing, cross-layer design and optimization is there in sensor networks. Affordability, maximum usage of routers and the maximum amount of traffic for given financial cost. Network map, geographically it has 2 LAN environment as below the factory LAN environment and head office LAN environment, and WAN connection and indication of the WAN technology, it's this line, and it contains frame relay also ISDN network. Router switches and hubs and bridges, 5 routers are there and 6 switches are there and 8 hubs and 3 bridges. This is the proposed design for network map. We have considered 2 ISP providers. One is the Dialog, another one is the Lancacom ISP provider, and then we have 2 firewalls, and then we have T1 connectivity leads line for both the ISP providers, and we have 2 main routers here, and we have implemented 2 main routers because to accommodate a single point of failures, and also here ISDN network connectivity is there because video conferencing and video related communication will happen, and also frame relay is there, and then 2 main switches for the factory and head office, and 2 main switches will provide the distribution to the floor level switches, and floor level switches will provide to the distribution to the room level switches, and then switch to PC and also switch to bridge is there. So in the bridge there will be many PCs, comes under bus topology, and also this side also the VPN VLAN connection is there for the mobile and laptops, and VLAN connection will connect to the remote server, and also we have application server, command server, and the file server there, and server farm we have already introduced to prevent from any single point of failure of any server. It will make backup on the server farms. Characteristic network traffic, user communities and categorization. Desktop users in factory, and the 45 will grow up to 75, and flow 1. SAP and email will be there as an application, and laptop users in factory and desktop users in head office around 45, and laptop users in head office around today is 20 and it will move to the 45, and mobile phone users in factory 15 will grow to up to 25. Special quality will come, and Power BI business intelligence platform will come. Mobile phone users in head office it will go to up to 45. They will use Power BI and emails. Data source categorization, application server, location in Delhi data center, and SAP application will run on there. The 200 users will use the application, and then command server, the head office it will stay, and mainly email will be the run on this server, and maximum 245 users will use this software. And then file server and server farm also there. In the file server QA app, 25 mobile users will use that, and server farm it is in the Singapore, and in the server farm Power BI vendor portal and customer portal will run, as well as backup system also will go to the server farm. So estimated bandwidth requirement for the SAP around 12 Mbps, and email 21 Mbps, and QA app 0.025 Mbps, and Power BI 7 Mbps, and vendor portal and customer portal 9 Mbps. Kiosk requirement for each application, and primary one way for SAP email primary one way, QA app primary one way. So more details are there. Logical and physical network diagram. So this is the core layer. Core layer having a main 5 routers and 2 switches. So this is the distribution layer. It has main 4 switches. And this is the access layer. It has switches, and also bridges, two main bridges. This is the access layer. And designing and addressing model, more details here. Fault tolerant and network security management strategy is there. So power failure, data losses, device or computer failures, unauthorized access, frequently check for updates, lock device or password protect computers, and overload, virus gun. Everything will consider on the project proposal. Physical network diagram, cable link technology, especially switch to router will use straight through cable, and switch to PC straight through cable, and hub to PC straight through cable. Switch to switch crossover cable, switch to hub crossover cables, hub to bridge crossover cable, and router to router crossover cable. So this is the LAN and WAN technologies. And when you come to the LAN technologies, we have used star topology in the hub to PC, and as well as bus topology to bridge to PC. Then when we come to the WAN technology, the partial mesh topology we have used to prevent from failures. So media redundancy, in case if one router not work, then other router will connect automatically to each other, and connection will be continuing as it is. And server redundancy, so it has application server, command server, and file server, as well as we are giving the backup to the server farm, so there will not be any server redundancy in this proposal. So implementation, as you know, we will use PDI-OO methodology, repeats the network life cycle. So planning, design, and in the implementation. Now, when you come to the operation and maintenance, proposed network maintenance evaluation, we will use reactive fault detection, troubleshooting, and also proactive analysis, enabling fast fault detection and resolution and prevention. And in future, smart artificial intelligence driven automated detection and resolution will come. Thank you very much.